Discounting is for losers. It works in two ways. We really can compete on actual value, so we're going to lessen our price. That's one form of discounting, and that's a losing proposition. But the other thing is discounting actual facts, being so intoxicated and drunk with your own brand and how awesome and beautiful your baby is. You don't want to discount true facts, such as like, hey, you know, we're crushing it here. We're really not crushing it here. It's like here, it's like either average or below average. And these parts, we're really smoking and crushing it. If people are like, wow, your blank, your product, your service, your whatever, that sucks. You know, we hate that. You can't, your key response cannot be, well, they'll learn to love it. You don't discount on price and you don't discount on truth. You never want to discount on truth. If you're going to discount truth, truth is going to discount you.